Now let's take a look at the Add Note tool. In the Annotations ribbon, click Add Note. A floating text box will appear, allowing you to position the note anywhere on the floor plan or elevation view. Click to place the note, or right-click to rotate it before setting its final position. Once placed, the Add or Edit Note dialog box opens. Enter the text for your note in the Note field. You can press Enter to create multiple lines, or load a previously saved text file by clicking Open. If needed, you can assign a tag number to create a reference between the note and a specific item in your design. After clicking OK, place the tag where you'd like it to appear. If you'd like to customize the appearance of your text, access its display settings. From there, you can adjust the font, size, and color to better match your drawing standards or presentation preferences. If you ever need to remove a note, simply select it, right-click, and choose Delete. Any associated tags will be removed as well. Using notes is a great way to communicate important design details and provide additional information directly within your plans.